This is Martin Lappin with Alternative Heating Solutions. So you finally get a nice day and you go and grab your log splitter, you're going to split a bunch of wood, and you find out your battery's deader than a doornail on it. Unfortunately, where you park it, no electric. And stringing a cord across the driveway is not always the best solution either. So what I have here is this is a 35 watt solar panel. And then I bought the solar battery tender module. This works just like a plug-in battery tender. You can certainly go ahead and buy that with the solar panel built in, or I should say a solar panel with the battery tender built in, but it's going to run you considerably more than I paid for this. Not to mention the one I seen was about half the wattage. Like I said, my panel's 35 watts. And between the panel and buying the tender separately, I got considerably less than buying a complete unit. And all I did was use the 4-prong flat trailer plug. And I wired up a plug. So on the Brindle here and on my install trailer, I can just plug the tender into the trailer wiring, don't mess around taking the cover off the battery to hook it up. While I was at it, went ahead and bought another 4-wire flat, put a set of alligator clips on. And I did what made most sense to me. Yellow and brown's hot, white and green's ground. Used all 4 wires since I paid for them anyways. And this is really super easy to use. Right now the yellow light means it is charging. If the yellow light's flashing, you're either not hooked to the battery yet, you got a bad connection, or the battery is too low to be charged. I put this on here Tuesday and the battery barely read 12 volts. I checked it a little earlier and it's up to 12.7. It's Thursday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we've not had any real sunny days. The other thing I had planned, if after, let's say, a week or 10 days, it still doesn't have that battery fully charged, I can place that solar panel outside and just run a longer lead to the battery tender and keep the tender inside. Technically, it is supposed to be waterproof. I'd much rather have it in here in the dry instead. This is Martin Lappin with Alternative Heating Solutions. If the women don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy.